Hey, Scott Grassman with AGC. Giving you another video about something neat to look at. This is a mist eliminator, also known as a demister or a mesh pad. Does a little work inside chemical plants, refineries. Basically, the simple functionality of it, you'll have entrained liquids in the kind of gas phase come up and hit this thing on the bottom. And once it does, all this mesh makes the droplets kind of like each other inside of it. And once they build up to a certain amount, they coalesce, they'll drip back out and run back down into the vessel. So they don't come up over the top. That's what these things are put in for, is to keep that liquid from going on to other stuff. You know, specifically, these things are put in to save turbines all around in the power industry, right? So you don't want one little drop of liquid that gets into a turbine, goes bing, 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 and blows it all up. But it's all throughout your plant that you don't want to have liquid carry over into the next, because it just makes things work harder to get rid of that liquid. Mist eliminators come in lots of different flavors and sizes. The largest one I think that we've sold for AMACS, you can put about 150 people around the outside of it, so pretty darn big. And they can get as small as going in a laboratory, so they can be a tiny little small diameter. And then as far as materials, you just want to find a material that your process likes and won't eat it up. We've run into a lot of applications where someone has designed a mesh pad, put it in there, and when the operator opens it up, all it is actually this cage. So you'll have all this stuff that's been eaten away. Sometimes it ends up in your gas tank, right? Because it had to go somewhere. We don't like that. So we try to engineer and design the best. AMACS has the best separation engineers in the business. So there's no point in buying some mesh pad from anybody else. Those guys, AMACS.com, are the best in the business, and as far as price goes, they are vertically integrated, so they don't get beat on price. Kind of the best of both worlds. So the next time that you guys have an outage or are just designing a new plant, give us a call here at AGC. We'll line you up with our engineers at AMACS, and we'll get you a solution on your beautiful Brillo pad that will save you guys time, money, and energy.